Hello, my name is Carla Vega. I'm a senior manager in the AI/ML team at Apple. At Apple, we believe AI is a core technology that will and is changing everything we do, from how we experience our products to how we do business. And the most important technologies that will power the next generation of experiences haven't been invented yet. That's why we're all here at the Women in Machine Learning workshop to share and learn new existing technologies. Today, I want to tell you a little bit about the work we do here at Apple. And I'm going to focus on two areas. First, we have a goal of empowering every developer to build intelligent apps and integrate machine learning. We do this by providing frameworks like CoreML and CreateML. And second, we deliver amazing user experiences, empowering our customers with the technology we launch. Today, I will tell you about two of our frameworks, CoreML and CreateML, that you can also use to accelerate your research, and two amazing user experiences we just launched earlier this year, translation and hand washing. But let's start with tools. By giving developers and research access to the tools they need to train machine learning models, we make it easier for them to create new and unique experiences in their applications beyond what Apple alone as a company can do. We help you focus on amazing discoveries and facilitate some tasks and integration to our devices. Let's start with CoreML. Machine learning models on iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and Apple TV are all powered by CoreML, our own device technology designed to run machine learning models with high performance and privacy. Today, CoreML has great support for many machine learning models, from neural networks to boosted trees and more. But as you know, the field of machine learning is constantly evolving. So we set out to support the most advanced neural networks by adding more layer types than ever before. And in fact, CoreML now supports over 100 model layer types. This enables you to run some of the most cutting-edge machine learning models on Apple devices. Models like Elmo or WaveNet or BERT, bringing powerful natural language processing to your apps. Now, running models like this in apps is only part of the story. There are times when you may want to upload models on device based on user data. We do this today for features like Face ID, where a user's appearance may be evolving over time. They change their hair, or maybe they want to wear a new hat. Or with our Siri watch face, where the set of recommendations is constantly evolving to deliver a personalized experience for the user. To achieve these experiences, we use on-device personalization. That same capability is available through CoreML. And now let's check out CreateML, our framework designed to help you build models just with a few lines of code. CreateML is also a macOS app that lets you build models with zero code right from your Mac. You can choose from many model templates to feed your data and build multiple models with different data sets, even define parameters for each of them. It supports transfer learning for tasks like image classification, object detection, or text analysis. This speeds up training since you need very little data and can leverage Apple's heavily optimized and pre-trained models. In summary, CreateML enables developers to create state-of-the-art, task-focused models that are both small and powerful. They can be deployed on all Apple devices and benefit from the on-device hardware acceleration provided by CoreML. What's more is the models are designed to be trained to achieve high accuracy with limited amounts of training data and can be trained entirely on the Mac. Let's check out some examples. One such example is action classification, which can enable compelling interactive experiences. Here, joint key points are extracted for each and every frame, and then their sequence across times are classified to determine the current action. In this case, whether the user is completing their 5-second interval workout challenge. Multiple models can also be combined with other technologies to form a full application experience. For example, the Action Envision app is a game created to score different beanbag toss throws. It uses object detection to first detect where the board is, and then action classification to determine whether an underhand, overhand, or underleg shot was taken. Other examples, such as style transfer, can enable developers to express their creativity. This application is using one style transfer model to stylize the texture of the virtual object and one video style transfer model to stylize the scene. Trained using CreateML, The models run up to 120 frames per second and are accelerated using the Apple Neural Engine. More complex pipelines like this one can be supported, combining person segmentation with a third video style, transfer mode to stylize the people in the scene. CreateML supports a wide variety of tasks in the image, sound, motion, text, and video domains, as well as recommender, general classifiers, and regression. Using CreateML, developers can easily create models to enable new experiences. Now let's shift our focus to experiences, starting with Translate. Of the entire world population, which represents over 7,000 actively spoken languages, approximately half are bilingual, and only less than a third is English speaking. As a matter of fact, I'm a native Spanish speaker. But when we think about connecting our users, translation is at the top of our minds at Apple. It's not enough to translate into one language. As we just saw, only a fifth of the world even speaks English. And you have to be really good at translating between pairs of languages. And the space of possibility only widens from there. The challenges, scope, and scale of this problem is huge, and we're excited to tackle it at Apple. So this year we launched Translate, a translation app that is designed to be the best and easiest to use app for conversations. And it can work completely offline. Keep your conversations private. Using advanced on-device machine learning and the powerful neural engine, you can translate your text and voice. We've also launched translation in Safari in beta. Our team is excited to continue to bring this experience and improve it and connect our users, and we are just getting started. Next, let's talk about hand washing. Since we launched Apple Watch, it's completely redefined what a watch can do. The watch allows you to stay connected, active, and is an intelligent guardian for your health. The watch team came up upon hand washing after looking for a use case where Apple could be valuable in the domain of preventative care. And automated detection turned out to be challenging for a number of reasons. It turns out the movements people use on their hands are not consistent, and some people actually favor a rotary motion, for example, while others move top to bottom and back and forth. So we turn to sensor fusion, which is a technique that we've been using since our early days on Apple Watch, and it provides a rich view into different activities. For hand washing, the relevant sensors and their motion and the watch microphone, which the team had begun exploring for potential things like noise detection. Our approach here is to use machine learning to determine motion, which appears to be hand washing, and then audio to confirm the sounds of running water and squishing soap in your hands. During this time, you get a little coach to do a good job. You'll see a countdown to keep washing, and if you stop, there's a polite note to keep washing. By combining all three markers, the motion, the audio of the soap and water, the detection becomes robust in situations where, for instance, an eco-friendly sink causes the running water sound to stop and start. The next challenge was crafting a user experience that would be helpful and enjoyable. And at the end, shipping an experience that tells you, well done, once you're done. As you see, a lot of what we do at Apple has to do with delivering amazing user experiences, and we do a lot of it through the use of machine learning. Besides CoreML, CreateML, Translate, and the Watch team, there are jobs in many other teams that focus on exciting and challenging areas, like Siri and Health. Locations are worldwide, and there are full-time and summer internship positions available. So please reach out to us if you're interested. Thank you again for joining me on this talk. See you soon, and I hope you keep enjoying the workshop. Thank you.